Hello friends, nice to see you again. Welcome to my happy kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to steam chicken with zucchini, which is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes, and click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the great. Slice zucchini and marinate chicken with oyster sauce, Cheoxing wine, light soy sauce, salt, and chicken pepper. Arrange zucchini on steam plate and place drumstick on top. Steam for 25 minutes with Instant Pot. Once cooked, place zucchini on plate and slice chicken. Delicious zucchini steamed drumstick is done. Chicken is tender and savory with zucchini sweetness. Give it a try. There are 1,000 of recipes in my channel. There must be a recipe you like. If you don't know what to cook, just check it out and look for inspiration. Thanks for watching. Happy Chinese New Year, my friends. Nice to see you again. Welcome to my happy kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to stir-fry broccoli and purple cabbage, which is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes, and click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. And stir-fry chopped garlic. Add broccoli, purple cabbage, stir-fry until softened. Add salt and chicken powder to taste. Once cooked, pour purple cabbage on plate, place broccoli on bowl, bend the bowl upside down. Delicious purple cabbage broccoli is done. It's so beautiful. I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe every day. Follow me now so you won't miss them. Watching. See you in next video.
Hello， 朋友们，大家好。Momo 又来了，欢迎大家来到我的快乐厨房，一起简单煮快乐吃。今天我们来做大虾蒸豆腐这道菜，做法简单，而且是绝大部分人的口味。赶紧收藏食谱了，也按一下追踪关注我的频道，因为您将免费收到我每天上传的简易食谱视频哦。如果愿意，也顺手给我一个 like， 是给予我最大的支持和鼓励。感恩大家的支持与陪伴。香菜切末，豆腐切片，大虾去虾肠，豆腐铺在碟中，大虾放在豆腐上，大虾放入蒸炉蒸10至15分钟，然后淋上蒜香油，撒上香菜，大虾蒸豆腐就做好了。我的频道有更多美味的新年菜简易食谱，别忘了也要去看看了。此外，新年15天里，我都会为您更新不同的新年菜食谱哦，记得要关注我，就不会错过了。还有我的食谱双语版本，每天中午12点会上传中文版本，而晚上8点半上传英文版。欢迎大家关注收藏食谱了，谢谢观看，祝大家新年快乐、平安喜乐，笑哈哈。我们下个视频再见了。Hello， 朋友们，大家好，Momo 又来了，欢迎大家来到我的快乐厨房，一起简单煮快乐吃。今天我们来做蒸碧子豆腐，吃了平安笑哈哈。这道菜做法简单，而且是绝大部分人的口味，赶紧收藏食谱啦，也按一下追踪关注我的频道，因为您将免费收到我每天上传的简易食谱视频哦。如果愿意，也顺手给我一个 like， 是给予我最大的支持和鼓励。感恩大家的支持与陪伴。准备好材料后，胡萝卜片铺在盘底，然后玉子豆腐、虾仁和杂豆放在上面，准备好酱汁和杂葱油淋在虾仁上，这道菜就完成了。我的频道有更多美味的新年菜简易食谱，别忘了也要去看看了。此外，新年15天里，我都会为您更新不同的新年菜食谱哦，记得要关注我，就不会错过了。我每天都会分享新食谱，我的频道有1000多个美味食谱等您来翻牌，记得要关注啦，不然划走，怕你找不到我。
Hello friends, nice to see you again. Welcome to my happy kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to steam peppercorns drumsticks, which is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Chop chilies and spring onions, slice ginger and marinate drumsticks with ginger, Cheoxing wine, and light soy sauce for half an hour. Once chicken is cooked, soak in cold water for 5 minutes. Once cooled, slice chicken, drizzle seasoning sauce and garnish with spring onion and coriander. This chicken texture is tender and flavoring. Give it a try, your family will love it too. There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe every day. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. Follow me now so you able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Also, I share daily recipe and don't miss it too. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.
Hello， 朋友们，大家好，Momo 又来了，欢迎大家来到我的快乐厨房，一起简单煮快乐吃。今天我们来煮番薯汤圆糖水，这糖水做法简单，而且是绝大部分人的口味，赶紧收藏食谱啦，也按一下追踪关注我的频道，因为您将免费收到我每天上传的简易食谱视频哦。如果愿意，也顺手给我一个 like， 是给予我最大的支持和鼓励，感恩大家的支持与陪伴。将切片番薯去皮，滚刀切块，香兰叶洗净打个结，然后把全部材料倒入气压锅内煮15分钟，煮好后加糖调味，五彩缤纷美味的番薯汤圆糖水就做好了。我的频道有更多美味的新年菜简易食谱，别忘了也要去看看啦。此外，新年15天里我都会为您更新不同的新年菜食谱哦，记得要关注我，就不会错过了。我的食谱双语版本，每天中午12点是中文版本，而晚上8点半上是英文版。谢谢观看。可爱小福袋简单好吃，新年就做这道菜吧。我的频道有更多美味的新年菜简易食谱，别忘了也要去看看啦。此外，新年15天里我都会为您更新不同的新年菜食谱哦，记得要关注我，就不会错过啦。全部材料切末后焯水备用。云吞皮双面涂抹食用油，擀平后蒸5分钟。用云吞皮包住馅料，用韭菜绑紧就可以了。准备1个碗下蚝油、鸡粉、芝麻油和黑醋拌匀。小福袋蘸这个酱汁，吃开胃又好吃，记得要做给家人一起分享啦。我的频道有更多美味的新年菜简易食谱，别忘了也要去看看啦。此外，新年15天里我都会为您更新不同的新年菜食谱哦，记得要关注我，就不会错过啦。还有我的食谱双语版本，每天中午12点会上传中文版本，而晚上8点半上传英文版。欢迎大家关注收藏食谱啦，谢谢观看，祝大家福气满满。
It's easy to air fryer fried bean curd to resume its crispiness. It's so easy. Listen to that crispy sound. I share delicious recipe every day. There are 1,000 of recipes in my channel waiting for you. If you like cooking, follow me now so you can check them out for inspiration for your next cooking. It's easy, just put fried bean curd into air fryer basket and start to fry it at 180 degree for 6 minutes. It's so easy, and let's enjoy the crispy fried bean curd together. No oil is required as fried bean curd has enough oil and it will help to reheat and resume its crispiness. Yummy! Let's make purple sweet We will use Vietnam rice paper for today's recipe. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. Cook sweet pot sour until softened, then mashed it at butter and sugar syrup. Mix well and set aside. Sugar syrup is easy to make. Just cook sugar with water until it turns thickened. Soak Vietnam rice paper in water for 2 seconds. Place ingredients in the middle and roll it up. Spring rolls rub with cooking oil. Arrange nicely in air-free basket and air fryer at 180 degree for 10 minutes. Purple sweet potato spring rolls is done. It tastes glutinous, sweet, and delicious. This dessert is not too sweet and healthy. Give it a try. Hope you like today's recipe. Share it out with your family and friends too. I share delicious recipe every day. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Yeah. Have you tried peanut butter noodles? Noodles covered in rich peanut butter sauce. It's really delicious. I share delicious recipe every day. There are 1,000 of recipes in my channel waiting for you. If you like cooking, follow me now so you can check them out for inspiration for your next cooking. Cook noodle until softened. Drain noodle and sprinkle with sesame oil to prevent noodles stick together. Add oyster sauce, light soy sauce, chicken powder, and sesame oil for the gravy. Mix with noodle and set aside. Peanut butter, add hot water, stir well. Add 1 tablespoon peanut butter and mix with noodle. Delicious peanut butter noodle is ready to eat. This noodle is delicious with savory and rich peanut butter sauce. This noodle is a must-try recipe. You must try. Give it a try. Hope you like my sharing. Follow me now so you won't miss my daily delicious recipe. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Yeah. Happy cooking, my friends.
酸菜鱼很多人去餐馆必点这道菜，因为酸菜鱼确实味道鲜美，而且很下饭。做法很简单，赶紧关注我收藏食谱啦，不然划走怕你找不到我。将辣椒切末，黄瓜切丝，酸菜切丝。 喜欢烹饪的朋友不妨考虑关注我的 YouTube 频道，有更多美味食谱哦。如果可以，请给我一个赞，是给我最大的鼓励，感恩大家。鱼肉切块，用盐、胡椒粉和玉米粉腌制。热油炒菜姜末，然后倒入酸菜一起炒。倒入1碗热水煮开，然后1茶匙盐调味，加黄瓜丝煮一会，把酸菜捞起。放入鱼块煮熟，鱼块尽量不翻动，避免弄碎鱼肉。煮熟后，鱼肉铺在酸菜上。热油放入辣椒末和花椒，呛出香味。辣椒油淋在鱼肉上，酸菜鱼就做好了。
Sweet and sour sand prawns. Dissolve tamarind paste with warm water. Seasoning and mix well. Marinate for 30 minutes. Fry prawns until both sides golden brown. Plate it. Our stone prawns is done. Sweet and sour prawns taste so good. Share this delicious recipe with your family, yeah. Save this recipe and give it a try. You will fall in for this recipe.